A traditional tattoo artist from Benguet Province showcased the Filipino art of tattooing at the 2024 Tattoo Convention in Hebei, China. Wilma Gaspili, also known as Ate Wams, stood out as the only traditional tattoo artist among the 800 invited world-class tattoo artists from more than 40 countries. She demonstrated the unique mambabatok technique, which involves gently tapping bamboo sticks to inscribe the tattoo. Gaspili said despite the imperfections of this technique, it is admired by foreigners who appreciate the beauty of traditional tattoos. She also expressed her excitement about sharing her experiences with her fellow Igorots upon her return to the Philippines.
Dapat tayong maging proud sa kung anong meron tayo kasi napakaswerte natin bilang isang Pilipino na meron tayong ganitong kultura na maibabahagi sa iba't ibang bansa. For example, dito sa China, sobrang appreciate nila yung itong klase ng pagtatato. So hindi yung kahit hindi maganda ay kahit hindi perfect yung tattoo, ang importante sa kanila na experience nila at galing pa sa Pilipinas.